Now on the screen you can see another drug called Chirabilva. Chirabilva. It is Chirabilva on the screen. So you can see the peculiar structure of Chirabilva. It is also called Indian elm. The scientific name is Holoptelia integrifolia, is a herb mentioned in Ayurvedic for the treatment of localized swelling, skin diseases, nausea, diabetes, indigestion, piles and excess blood purifier also. It is commonly called as Chirabilva in Ayurveda. The Latin name is Holoptelia integrifolia. It belongs to family Ulmaceae. It is a big tree. Morphology or the habit of the drug is, it is a medium sized tree growing to a height of 10 to 15 meters, even more than that. The bark is pale white colored, leaves are 3 to 5 inches long, 2 to 3 inches wide, oval to renal shaped. The flowers are small greenish yellow and found in clusters. The fruits are round and the seeds are flat. Flowers are seen in the spring season and the fruits are seen in summer. Both flowers and fruits release pungent odor when crushed. The tree is found in temperate climates of India. Part used of the drug is bark, and the indication of the drug is useful in inflammation, acid gastritis, dyspepsia, flatulence, colic, intestinal worms, vomiting, wounds, skin disease, vitiligo, leprosy, filariasis, diabetes, hemorrhoids, and it is also indicated in rheumatism. Now on the screen you can see the drug, very popular and well known drug, which is called Chopchini. Chopchini is an established drug. Chopchini or the Smilex glabra or Smilex china is a plant mentioned for the treatment of cancer, syphilis, skin disease, constipation, urine retention, diseases of joint, etc. It is known as Dipantaravacha and Madhusnuhi also. Madhusnuhi. The Latin name is Smilex glabra or Smilex china or Smilex chinensis also, and sometimes it is also used by the name Smilex malabarica in South India, which is also called Dipantaravacha. It belongs to family Liliaceae. The habit of the drug, the plant is a thick climber with the stem branched, terete, 1 to 4 meter, woody and smooth. The petiole is 5 to 15 centimeter, narrowly winged for 1/4 to 3/5 of its length. There will be a small wing. The tendrils are well developed. The leaf blade is elliptic or ovate lanceolate, 6 to 15 centimeter long and 1 to 7 centimeter wide. The tendrils are inflorescence of one umbel, peduncle 1 to 5, strikingly shorter than the petiole. Male flowers are greenish white, slightly six-angled. The fruits are bluish black in color. The part used of the drug Chopchini is rhizome or the tuber of Chopchini. The indication of Chopchini includes, it helps in schizophrenia, epilepsy, mild laxative, antimicrobial, carminative. It improves appetite, useful in flatulence, abdominal colic, constipation and intestinal parasites. It is used for the treatment of syphilis, widely used for the treatment of syphilis with Rasakarpur. Milk boiled with Chopchini is used in skin diseases, impotency and other seminal disorders. A special preparation made from its tuber is used in gonorrhea and associated arthritic symptoms, fever and general debility also. Now on the screen you can see the drug called Danti. Danti, Belliospermum montanum, acts as purgative. It induces diarrhea and is useful in treating liver disorders, digestive disorders, hemorrhoids, etc. Botanical name is Belliospermum montanum or Belliospermum axillare or Jatrupa montana. These are synonyms. It belongs to family Euphorbiaceae. Now regarding the habit of the drug Danti, Danti grows in humid climate. It is a perennial herb like shrub about 1 to 2 meters tall. Many stems grow from the base of the root. Leaves with various shapes and sizes grow on the stem. Those at the base are 15 to 30 cm long, palm-shaped with segmented margins, and those in the upper part are 5 to 8 cm long, oblong or lanceolate. The flowers are unisexual, greenish, growing in clusters. Fruit is 1 to 2.5 cm long with 3 compartments and containing colored seeds. Red psychic nut, wild castor, wild croton, and wild sultan. Seeds are various common names of this herb. So commonly it is also called wild croton. It is medicinally used in Ayurvedic medicine for various diseases. Now the parties of the drug Danti includes root, leaves, seed and seed oil. Danti is used to cure hemorrhoids. Danti is indicated in calculi. It is also indicated in abdominal pain, itching, leprosy, burning sensation, inflammation, abdominal disorders, bleeding disorders, and also it is indicated in worm infestation. Now on the screen the drug called Darva. Darva. The botanical name of Darva is Imperata cylindrica. It belongs to family Poaceae. Regarding the habit of the drug Darva, it is a perennial shrub, grows up to 6 feet in height. Root is thick and scaly rootstock, creeping on the ground, sends out rhizomes in all directions. Clumps are erect, terete, thin bases are covered with shining yellow seeds. The leaf arises from the rootstock, long and linear. Inflorescence is panicle, 15 to 45 cm long, bears pale brown spikelets having very small florets up to 30 in number. Florets are white or silky and they are very dense. Now the part used of the drug is root, and regarding its indication, internally being stambhana and trishna nigrahana, it is used in trishna, rakta pitta, rakta tishara and rakta prabahika, that is bloody dysentery. Also in stanyakshaya being stanya janana. It is useful in rakta pradara being rakta stambhana. Rakta pradara is dysfunctional uterine bleeding, menorrhagia. It is also useful in mutrakrishya and asmari. And in urinary tract infection, we should take 5 gram of this kusha or darva root, grind it, dip in 1 glass of water and then shuffle, drink it twice a day. And in leukorrhea, take 3 to 4 grams of the root, grind it with rice water or boil it. It cures leukorrhea. And regarding mutrakrishya or dysuria, churna of phala is Ficus carica, Vrisrira, Trianthema portulacastrum, Darva, Imperata cylindrica, and Silazatu. Silazatu is bedipen. If taken with water, wine, sugarcane juice, and along with decoction of Darva, is beneficial for dysuria. And in Vatasasara, that is fever due to Vata, decoction prepared from Bala, Darva and Swadamsara, if taken with sugar and ghee, alleviates Vatasasara. Vala is Siddhacordifolia, Darva is Imperata cylindrica, and Swadamsara is Goksura or Trivalasteris. Now on the screen, a very beautiful flower commonly found, it is called Tatura. Now Tatura, in English it is called thorn apple, is a poisonous herb used in many Ayurvedic medicines after purification method. Datura metals used in the treatment of skin diseases, fever, etc. It is used for external application and rarely for oral administration. The botanical name is Datura metal or Datura fastosa, Datura alba. It belongs to family Solanaceae or Contacaricula. Here on the screen you can see it is Datura metal. Regarding the habit of the drug, it is a large herb giving a bushy look. Attains 3 feet height, root is very long and thick whitish in color. Stem is stout, erect, branching repeatedly. Leaves are large and angular, 10 to 15 cm long, varsally toothed margin. Veins are very strong, upper surface is dark green and the under surface is paler. Flowers are large and attractive, 8 cm long with a long tubular calyx. Corolla is funnel-shaped, white or varied in color. The fruits are large capsule with numerous sharp spines. Brownish seeds are there. Here on the screen you can see the opened up fruit. The seeds are very beautiful. The parts are seeds, flowers, root bark and leaves. Now regarding the indication of Datura, Kantikari, it is called Kantikari. On external application, it improves the skin quality. Kanti is the luster of the skin. Brananode, on external application, it helps in quick wound healing. Artinode helps to relieve pain and inflammation on external application. Kusthani Hanti, used for external application in skin disorders. In Jwara, its application is useful to relieve fever. Twagdosa and Kantu, it detoxifies skin and relieves itching when applied as paste. Its paste or oil is prepared and used for external application to relieve pain, inflammation, itching and infested wounds. Oral administration of purified Datura seeds is indicated in chronic respiratory disorders, asthma as well as dysuria. So thank you so much for today.